everyone, thank you for joining me today. This is Sharon from Paper Crafts from the Heart. I'm going to go ahead and create a one-page layout today using the It's the Little Things paper collection. I've gone ahead and cut this Starburst template out on my Cricut, and I'm using it to draw some lines onto my white paper to mark where the pattern papers are going to go, and then I'm going to stamp in between using the stamp set that comes from the scrapbooking workshop for the It's a Little Things paper collection here. There's this little circle image, this little polka dotty circle, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp that onto my paper using the black ink and just a random pattern. In between the starburst here, I'm going to repeat that in all the little lines that I have marked off that don't have the P for the pattern paper. It's okay if I go outside a little bit because, like I said, the paper is going to go on the other ones and that will cover it up. And I'm just doing this very randomly. It's okay if it goes outside a little bit at the lines, like here. And then when I bring the pattern paper in, I'm hoping this is just going to give the layout the little bit of pop. When I was playing with the paper, I just didn't like the way it looked with all the... I tried putting some pattern paper in between, and I didn't like that. And then I tried putting some solid paper, and I didn't like that. So I decided to try to stamp. And I used this template also and trace the inside onto my pattern pieces of paper to get the shapes that I want. So now we're going to see how this comes out and see if we're ready to commit to it or not. Sorry about the noise in the background. My kids are stuck in the house today. It's kind of cold out here. So we're going to come in like that. And then I'm using this picture of my kids in their little M&M outfits there. So far, so good. So I'm going to go ahead and I think stick with that.